In this short video, I'll show you how to know if someone has muted you on WhatsApp. It can be frustrating when your messages aren't getting responses, leaving you wondering if you've been muted. Understanding the signs of being muted is crucial, especially if you frequently communicate with the person in question. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including identifying signs of blocking someone on WhatsApp. Together, we'll explore this topic to help you figure out if you've been muted. Stay with me until the end to learn how to see who secretly viewed your WhatsApp status or profile. Now let's get started on how to identify if someone has muted you on WhatsApp. To start, head over to your WhatsApp and send a message to the person you suspect might have muted you. If you see one tick on WhatsApp, it means your message was sent but not yet delivered. This alone doesn't confirm that you've been muted, but if your message stays with one tick for an extended period, it could be a sign. Next, monitor their online status. If they are online but haven't read your message, it could be another indication. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to see if someone muted you on WhatsApp. Additionally, consider whether their profile picture has disappeared. This might suggest they've muted or blocked you. However, remember that if you mute someone on WhatsApp, you'll still get messages from them. So, if your messages are being delivered but not read, there's a possibility you've been muted. But what if you suspect that people are secretly viewing your WhatsApp status or profile, and you want to find out who? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to find out who secretly viewed your WhatsApp status. Click to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.